Hello traders, in this video we're looking at the T3 CCI Indicator from T5. This tool combines the Commodity Channel Index CCI with the Triple Exponential Moving Average T3 to provide a smoother, more responsive view of momentum, trend strength, and potential overbought or oversold conditions. And it's going to load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now the T3 CCI indicator appears in a separate sub-window as a smoothed line with colored coded histogram that moves up or down the reference line to determine the direction of the trend. Now as you can see here, in the case of a bullish trend, the histogram moves up, and the stronger the volatility or the volume, the higher the bars. And if it's in a negative trend or a bearish trend, it goes down the reference line, as you can see here. Now we move over to its settings. You find out that this T3 CCI indicator often use a period 14 for both the CCI calculation, and T3 moving average is 5. But this can be customized to suit different styles and time frames. You can also define the QFP and the price type for the CCI. Now we can adjust the color of the moving average and the CCI T3 in the color of visual options. Now who is this indicator for? The T3 CCI indicator is suited to traders who want a blend of momentum and trend analysis and appreciate smoother indicator behavior with reduced noise. It remains a lagging indicator based on historical price data and can produce false signals in low volatility or choppy environments, and its performance depends heavily on choosing parameter settings. Traders must be aware of overfitting when using this indicator. They must also be aware of subjectivity in interpreting threshold and varying effectiveness across different market conditions. She also tests and combines the T3 CCI indicator with other tools and risk management. You can find the download link in the description below, and also read the full T3 CCI indicator article, including detailed strategy examples, pros and cons, and optimization tips at the Forex Geek if you want to use this indicator properly. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.